Here we go. So we're going to start with your right foot. We're going to step forward. 1, you're going to cross your left foot over. 2, you're going to do a little travel back, cha-cha-cha. 3 and 4. Right, left, right. So again, you step forward. 1, cross. 2, go. 3 and 4. And I'm turning my body all the way to the right when I'm traveling back. Again, 5, 6, 7, step right. Go 1, cross, 2, 3, and 4. If you'd like to do arms, they're going to go like this. Just your right arm. It's going to cross 1, touch your left shoulder. It's going to touch your right shoulder on 2 as your left foot crosses over. And then it's going to circle 3 and 4. So it's going 1, 2, 3, and 4. From the back, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It reaches out. With the feet, it goes like this. Stepping on that right foot. 1, then we cross your left foot and touch your right shoulder. 2, we travel back. 3 and 4. So from here, you're going to step on the left foot on 5 and flick this right foot back. 5, and then you're just going to step forward on your right foot on 6. So again, you're here on 4, you're going to flick 5, 6. If you want to do an arm, it was reaching out to the back. It's just going to flick forward to the front as your foot flicks back. So it goes like this. 5, step forward 6. You're going to cha-cha-cha back on your left foot this way, 7 and 8. And now my body faces the left wall. So we did 3 and 4, we flick. 5 steps, 6, cha-cha, 7 and 8. On that cha-cha-cha back, 7 and 8, no arms. So the whole 8 count from 1, 2, ready? 5, 6, 7, step right. Go 1, 2, back, 3 and 4, flick, 5, step, 6, back, 7 and 8. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, flick, 5, step, 6, back, 7 and 8. Moving on, we're just going to do this little rock back and forth step. So you're just switching your weight to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. We're going to do it 4 times. So we finish 7 and 8. Our weight's sitting back into the left foot. We're going front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. With your arms, I'm just kind of going to push them forward. It's nothing really. It's kind of what comes naturally with this move. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to step on it on 5. You're going to pivot to the back. 6, step your right foot forward again. 7, pivot to the front on 8. So let's try that pivot turn again. You're going step, turn, step, turn. There's a little, kind of like a little hop to it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, step, turn, step, turn. Again, with that forward and back motion. 5, 6, 7, go front and back. 2, 3, pivot, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. After the pivot turn, you're just going to do kind of a little salsa step out to your right. Right, left together. Left, right together. Right, left together. Left, right together. Just try this. We just have a little salsa step. My arms are going to do something different though. So they're going to go up over my head. I'm just flexing my hands and taking my palms up to the ceiling. And I'm just going to take them up on 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Same feet, but I'm going to let my arms drop down. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Just a nice slow drop down. So they pop up on 1. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, little salsa. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Take them down. Take them down. Nice. So after the pivot turn, you did 1, 2, 3. You did that pivot on 5, 6, 7, 8, you gotta take your weight out to the right for that little salsa step. You just gotta be ready for it. Yeah? All right. After that, we're gonna do a nice slow little ball change forward. Ball, change, and then you're gonna do a little cha-cha-cha. Right, then ball, change, left, right. Again, right, left, right. Do it again. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you want, you can kind of do like a little hip, cha-cha-cha, hip, cha-cha-cha. You can always add flair if you want to. Arms are gonna go, they're gonna do this nice little, whatever this is called. This nice little wave movement. So it's gonna go to the right on 1, 2, and then we're gonna shimmy on the cha-cha-cha. And then we're gonna go left, right, shimmy. If you've never done a shimmy, it's just your upper body, your shoulders going back and forward. So to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back. You can practice that. Here we go. So it's right, left, right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, slow ball change. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After the shimmies, you're gonna take your right foot forward and you're just gonna press off of it. 1 together, 2, 3 together, 4. You're gonna take your right foot back. 5, step together, 6. Left foot back, 7, step together, 8. So it's front, together, back, together. Try it again. It's right, together, left, together, back, together. One more time. Go right, left, back. So you're just kind of putting your weight on it and then rebounding back together. If you want to do arms, forward we're going to do a little elbow to the front with your right arm, elbow to the front with your left arm, and then as you step back on that right foot, you're going to take this arm and circle it around and down, and then left arm is going to go around and down. So it's elbow, right arm, left arm. Ready? Arms and feet. 6, 7, elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it around. 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7. Right elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right arm back. Left arm back. Now we're going to take our right foot and we're going to do little like a quarter pivot around. So we're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you'd like to, you can add a little hip circle to it. So we're just taking our hips and we're circling them around. Nice and even and fun. If you want to add arms to it, I'm just going to clasp over my head and I'm going to circle them the same direction as my hips. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to let my arms come down on 7, 8. So 3 little hip circles, and then on 7, 8, as I come back to the front, I'm just going to let my arms come down. Ready? 5, 6, hip circles, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 7, 8. All right, we're going to take it back to the beginning, nice and slow. We're going to put together everything we've done so far. So remember, you start on that right foot, step cross, we cha-cha-cha back 3 and 4. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, step right. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Flick 5, step 6. Go 7 and 8. We rock forward and back. 2, 3. Now we step, pivot, turn. Now we salsa to the right. 1 and 2, 3. Bring the arms down. We do that little slow ball change forward to the right, then shimmy, cha, 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 to the left, then shimmy. From here, right elbow, right arm goes back, right, left hip circle, around, 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 and around. Very nice. And those arms come down on